The Photon Mono M7 Max is a powerful 3D resin printer that stands out with its large 13.6-inch screen and high-resolution 7K printing capabilities. Built to handle demanding projects, this printer leverages advanced COB Light Turbo 3.0 technology to produce precise and vibrant prints. Its expansive build volume enables users to tackle larger models with ease, making it ideal for both professionals and hobbyists alike. One of the standout features is the printer's flip-open cover design, which enhances ease of access and overall user experience. Transform your shelf into a showcase of precision. The Lumina case gives collectors the power to illuminate and tailor every inch of their display with purpose. Whether you're exhibiting prized LEGO builds, detailed miniatures, or high-end action figures, this modular case adapts to your vision, both in lighting and scale. The built-in lighting system casts a balanced glow across your collectibles, enhancing color, depth, and detail. The Yeelight Cube. Smart Lamp revolutionizes the way you experience lighting in your home. With an expansive range of 16 million colors, this versatile lamp allows you to customize your space for any occasion. Whether you're unwinding after a long day or hosting a vibrant party, its rich color palette ensures the perfect lighting to set the mood. One standout feature of this lamp is its pixel-level control. Each individual bead can be adjusted for fine-tuned effects, providing the flexibility to create personalized lighting designs that align with your exact preferences. The Satechi Mini NVMe SSD enclosure provides a fast and reliable solution for data storage and transfer, designed for those needing efficient file management. With read speeds up to 10 gigabits per second, it maximizes the performance of 2,230mm NVMe solid-state drives, offering nearly double the speed of traditional SATA SSDs. The enclosure utilizes advanced Gen 2 USB-C technology for seamless transfers, making it an excellent choice for handling large files, photos, videos, and games. Step into clarity like never before. The Enmisi 550 redefines wearable display technology with a commanding 210-inch AR projection viewed from just 20 feet away, giving you the feel of a cinematic screen right in your pocket. Weighing only 2.6 ounces, this ultra-light headset keeps fatigue at bay, letting you focus on what truly matters. Step away from static posters and costly reprints. The ballooning 8-color e-ink canvas reinvents wall art. No glass, no glare, no electricity-hungry screen. Instead, you get full-color, paper-like visuals that shift with your mood, all powered by the advanced Spectra 6 e-ink panel. With a 28.5-inch sharp IGZO display, every image appears crisp and natural, minus the harsh blue light or flicker of traditional displays. The Anker 3-in-1 power bank is engineered for convenience and versatility, making it an essential accessory for those on the go. Its foldable 30-watt plug ensures easy portability while providing fast charging for a range of devices. Available in both 5,000 and 10,000 mAh capacities, this power bank can efficiently charge your smartphone, tablet, or other electronics multiple times without needing to be recharged itself. Minimalism meets precision with this thoughtfully engineered monitor light bar, tailored for professionals who demand clarity without compromise. The wireless controller puts full brightness and color temperature control at your fingertips, no fumbling with buttons or cords. Whether you're diving into detailed CAD work, editing late into the night, or simply browsing, this light delivers uniform illumination with zero screen glare. Its space-saving clamp design clears desk clutter while maximizing screen real estate. Rokid Max AR glasses bring the future into your hands, offering an immersive, cutting-edge experience for both work and play. These lightweight glasses feature an impressive 50-degree field of view, providing a massive 215-inch screen that mimics the experience of watching a display 6 meters away. With a 120 Hz refresh rate, it guarantees smooth, vibrant visuals, making gaming and media consumption extraordinary. Unlike traditional cubes that rely solely on muscle memory and repetitive practice, this futuristic cube integrates cutting-edge AI to create an entirely new way to engage with puzzle solving. The XMars AI Robot Cube takes learning to the next level by teaching you how to solve the cube with intelligent built-in guidance. No smartphone or app required. The AI-powered learning mode provides real-time hints, while Watch and Learn mode lets users observe the cube solve itself. Elevate your outdoor experience with the Air Cruiser, engineered for adventurers who refuse to compromise. This rooftop tent is not just compact and lightweight, it's self-assembling and ready to deploy in seconds, making campsite setup faster and smarter than ever. Designed with cutting-edge materials and aerospace-inspired structure, it offers record-breaking cabin space while weighing significantly less than traditional rooftop tents. At only 90 pounds, it mounts securely on nearly any vehicle, transforming daily drivers into instant base camps. Efficiency isn't just about speed, it's about flexibility, and the Liepao Dual Views delivers both in a sleek 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display built for real productivity. Whether you're deep into code, editing visuals, or managing spreadsheets, its 1080p resolution brings clarity without straining your eyes, thanks to an advanced eye care screen. Designed with mobility in mind, it weighs just under 1.7 pounds and slips easily into your laptop bag. Built for those who demand more than just head protection, this next-generation helmet redefines what it means to ride smart. With cutting-edge tech woven into its carbon fiber shell, it delivers uncompromising strength and seamless connectivity. Whether carving back roads or commuting downtown, this helmet becomes your command center. It features a Bluetooth intercom for rider-to-rider communication within a limited range and a walkie-talkie via app that works across any distance with cellular connection. Crank up the volume by the pool, in the shower, or on the trail. This rugged speaker is engineered for any environment. Built to perform under pressure, it handles water, dust, and impact with ease. Whether clipped to your backpack or floating beside you in the hot tub, this compact device doesn't just survive, it thrives. With 20 hours of battery life on a single charge, you can soundtrack your entire day without reaching for the charger. And when the sun goes down, it's still going strong, keeping the vibe alive through nightfall. When searing summer heat or bone-chilling cold threatens your comfort in the wild, the EcoFlow Wave 3 delivers dependable climate control without compromise. This compact powerhouse pushes out a robust 6,100 British thermal units of cooling and 6,800 British thermal units of heating, backed by a potent 1,800 watts cooling system and 2,000 watts heating capacity. Banish countertop clutter and streamline your oral care with a design built for performance and precision. This high-speed toothbrush spray system eliminates the hassle of separate tubes and cups, merging convenience with power in every detail. Its X-Flow toothpaste tech ensures an even high-pressure blend of water and toothpaste with every pass. The dual-nozzle system delivers a consistent 360-degree spray that targets hard-to-reach areas while minimizing waste. XeraGrow revolutionizes hair regrowth with cutting-edge technology designed for your convenience. Harnessing the power of 650-nanometer medical lasers, it offers the ideal wavelength to stimulate hair follicles and promote natural regrowth. This smart, lightweight device is engineered for effortless use, requiring only 15 minutes per week to make a difference. Featuring 80 medical-grade lasers, XeraGrow employs a sophisticated detection system to tailor treatment to your needs. The Talon Swivel Chair is a robust and versatile outdoor seating solution designed for comfort and convenience. Its innovative 360-degree rotation feature allows you to enjoy the outdoors from any angle, making it ideal for camping, tailgating, or outdoor events. Despite its sizable design, resembling a single sofa, this chair is surprisingly foldable, providing easy portability for those who value both space and practicality. In a world increasingly reliant on private, high-capacity data storage, one machine rises to meet the demand for speed, security, and full control. Designed for power users, creative professionals, and tech-savvy households, this fully customizable home cloud storage unit brings enterprise-grade performance right into your workspace. Equipped with a Linux operating system and powered by either Intel or AMD CPUs, it's built for versatility and heavy lifting. Step onto precision with LeFou, where science meets simplicity in every way-in. This isn't your average bathroom scale. It's an intelligent health monitor powered by 8 precision electrodes. Each step activates a full-body analysis, diving deeper than just pounds and ounces. It tracks 58 different body data metrics, including visceral fat, metabolic age, body water, protein rate, and muscle mass. Feel the freedom of movement and immerse yourself in pure sound with Huawei FreeArc, meticulously shaped for a secure and airy fit. Crafted with a soft S-curve ear hook, it offers open ear comfort without sacrificing stability, keeping you cool even through intense workouts thanks to its sweat-absorbent design. The optimal 140-degree triangular support ensures they stay firmly anchored, while the lightweight S-curve reduces tragus pressure for a stable, ergonomic fit. When your household runs on battery-powered devices, wasted time and energy sorting through half-charged cells can slow everything down. That's where the Olight OStation X steps in, built not just to charge batteries, but to redefine battery management altogether. The OStation X doesn't just power up your batteries, it smartly handles them from start to finish with a seamless process. Analyze, charge, sort, and store. Thanks to its integrated superchip, it recognizes battery size, type, polarity, and health. The Craft Geek Max Plus Selfie Stick Tripod Stand is a game-changer for content creators who value versatility and portability. With its new Max Pro Plus design, it integrates 2 cold shoe mounts, making it ideal for those who need to attach both lights and microphones while shooting. This allows you to enhance the quality of your photos and videos, whether you're indoors or outdoors. The tripod extends from 11 inches to 60 inches, offering flexible height adjustments to suit different angles, making it easy to capture shots from any perspective. Not all grooming tools are built with this much purpose packed into such a small frame. This multifunctional mini mobile phone shaver redefines convenience with a truly compact, battery-free design. Crafted to run directly from your smartphone or mobile power bank, it's engineered for real-life mobility. Whether you're traveling, commuting, or simply tidying up before a meeting. The Petite Forêt Plus Tropical Moss Terrarium offers a seamless blend of nature and technology. This innovative terrarium features full app control for managing growth, lighting, and watering, providing a convenient way to care for your plants. Whether you're a seasoned plant enthusiast or new to indoor gardening, this terrarium simplifies the process with its intuitive features. The system allows you to easily monitor and adjust the environment for your tropical moss, ensuring optimal conditions for growth. Keeping your indoor air safe has never been more effortless. With its wide 3.6-inch display, the SwitchBot Meter Pro CO2 provides instant, easy-to-read information on CO2, concentration, temperature, humidity, date, time, and comfort levels. This compact yet powerful monitor delivers a complete snapshot of your environment, helping you know exactly when to ventilate for better air quality. The Brevoy espresso maker offers an innovative solution for coffee lovers on the go. This portable espresso machine is designed to brew both ground coffee and capsules, allowing for versatile brewing options. With a robust 20-bar pressure system, it extracts rich, full-bodied espresso, mimicking the experience of a traditional espresso machine. Whether you prefer your coffee from capsules or freshly ground beans, this device accommodates both seamlessly. Its compact design makes it ideal for outdoor adventures, including camping, RV trips, or hiking. Whether you're gearing up for a weekend hike, a late-night campsite jam, or unexpected roadside repairs, the Flamp U1 is engineered to handle it all, combining cutting-edge illumination with rugged audio performance in one compact EDC essential. Built for adventurers who value versatility without compromise, this all-in-one flashlight and Bluetooth speaker redefines how you prepare for the unknown. With a blazing 2,300 lumen main beam and a secondary adjustable light, visibility never takes a back seat. In a world saturated by flat screens and filtered media, Looking Glass Portrait unlocks a powerful portal into three-dimensional storytelling. Designed for boundary pushers, visual artists, designers, filmmakers, and photographers, this cutting-edge holographic display transforms everyday creative work into luminous spatial narratives. It arrives fully equipped with a preloaded demo reel, offering an immediate taste of the possibilities without the need for setup or downloads. The Anchorwork S600 combines cutting-edge technology and sleek design to elevate your conferencing and entertainment experience. With its AI-powered Voice Radar 3.5 technology, this Bluetooth speaker ensures optimal voice clarity by isolating target voices while minimizing up to 99% of distractions, including non-target voices. The high-speed NPU chip performs local analysis, providing robust data security without relying on the cloud. When the sun sets and ambient lighting becomes the mood maker, Yeelight curtain lights redefine what decorative illumination can be. These aren't just curtain lights, they're your customizable gateway to immersive visual design. With a generous 5 by 6.5 foot canvas studded with 475 individually addressable LEDs, your space becomes a digital tapestry of vibrant color and movement. Over 20 preset lighting scenes and more than 100 static patterns allow you to transform bedrooms, dorm rooms, or party spaces with ease. Transform how you interact with your curtains using the Odor Curbit automatic curtain opener and closer. Designed for modern living, this sleek device offers seamless integration with a wide range of smart assistant apps, providing hands-free control over your home's natural lighting. Whether you're starting your morning or winding down at night, effortless automation is now at your fingertips. Built with adaptability in mind, the Odor Curbit comes ready to work with I-rails, U-rails, and traditional rod hooks, making it a versatile addition to nearly any home setup. Compact, consistent, and built to perform, this pasta maker brings fresh homemade pasta to your kitchen without the hassle. It automatically kneads and extrudes 2 to 3 servings of pasta in just 18 minutes, making it a time-saving tool for busy cooks who crave quality.